I got way too much on my mental. I learned from what I've been through.
Alright y'all, so what I learned is that the footage of me doing the other side of my head was trash, but I did get a good amount of footage of me doing this side, so you will get to see how I got these bomb wand curls. Alright, so first and foremost, I'm starting off on blown out hair. I blow dried my hair out into 8 sections, 4 in the back, 4 in the front, and what I did was I styled my hair in those twists. So as you can see here, I'm taking out the twist, I'm putting one section away, and then I'm going to split one side into 3 sections depending on how big it was. But yeah, that's pretty much how I sectioned my hair. I would take the twist out, put one side away, and then split that piece into 2 or 3 pieces, if that makes sense. This piece came out trash and I should have redid it, but child, I was tired. I was getting annoyed. This style is really easy. It's just trying to record yourself doing your hair, making sure you're getting everything on camera is annoying, but back into the style. Alright, so my first tip for wand curling is to make sure that your hair is completely detangled. I made sure that I brushed each piece out and then held it taut before I wrapped it around the wand. My second tip is going to be about actually wrapping the hair on the wand. As I stated before, I detangle my hair and hold it taut so that I can get my roots flat onto the wand as possible, and then I twist it down. And you don't just like twist it any old kind of way. You gotta have that flick of the wrist, like you're not twisting it flat. It's hard to explain, but I think you're gonna have that flick of the wrist anyway, just because you're trying to avoid burning your arm or your hands. So yeah, it's something that you just kind of gotta watch. And yeah, I'm gonna be quiet and let y'all just watch. Y'all, I was trying so hard not to sing along to the music I was listening to, but you know, when you start feeling yourself, when your hair coming out cute, it was too hard.
I could have been in love by now if it wasn't for Tony.
So we have finally made it to the finish line. My third and final tip will be to pick and separate your curls. I like to go in with the pick first at the roots just to get rid of any lines that I may have from sectioning, and then I go through and gently separate the curls. Now with separating, keep in mind that the more you separate, the more volume you're gonna have, and less separation will be more definition. It's just up to your preference. I personally am team volume, but I think I still had a good amount of definition after I separated. But yeah, just gently run your hands down the curls. They're gonna come apart on their own where they want to. Don't like rake your fingers through unless that's the look that you're going through for. But yeah, just gently separate the curls where they come apart. So I also have to add that my hair did not stay silky smooth like this. I had to do my makeup and it was hot in that bathroom, and as a natural, you know your hair is going to do what it naturally wants to do. So I ended up with more texture in the end simply because I was sweating. But I feel like this style lasted a long time. I love the texture in the end, and it's one of those styles that just gets better over time, just gets bigger and fuller and more beautiful.
There he is, man, them walkers.